G.
Where's the A? Where's the A?
A.
That's right.
A.
That's right. Where?
B.
That's the B. Where's the G?
G.
Mm-hmm. Where's L?
L.
That's right. Where's I?
I.
Mm-hmm. What's that spell? Abigail? Can you say Abigail?
But A.
That's it. It's an A. Can you say Abigail?
I go.
Abigail?
Sis. I go. Sis. B.
That's right. Yay!
Yeah.